This is our project report of static behavior of simply supported beam. As you can see here, this is a 3D image of our project. As an introduction, beams are fundamental structure elements widely used in mechanical and civil engineering. Understanding their behavior under applied loads is essential for safe and efficient structure design. This project focuses on the experimental analysis of a beam subjected to external forces in order to study its load distribution and bending behavior. As you can see here, in this setup, it consists of horizontal beam supported at both ends, with adjustable loads applied at specific positions along its length. In here. Okay. Measuring devices are used to record applied forces, allowing for an accurate analysis of the beam's responses under static loading conditions, which we can see. These are the measuring devices. The main objective of this project is to analyze the relationship between applied loads and the resulting reactions in the beam, and to compare experimental results with theoretical principles learned in class. This experiment helps reinforce key concepts such as equilibrium, force distribution, and structural behavior of beams. This is also a diagram of our project with the specific analysis of each part. As you can see, we have the base plate, we have the beam, we have the sensors and other essential parts. Our first explanation is of the base. Base means the bottom or main part of something that supports it and keeps it stable, and the part that carries the weight and transfers it to the ground. In engineering and mechanics specifically, the base is the part of a structure that supports the beam, column, or machine. Without a strong base, the structure cannot stay in equilibrium. This is our beam. This is our base. In physics, the base helps keep the system stable and balanced. For example, the beam rests on a base. A strong base makes the structure stable. The machine is fixed to metal base. Weight is the force by which the earth attracts an object. As you can see, weight equals the m, which stands for mass, and the gravity, which is 9.81. Simple supported beam. A simple supported beam is a beam that is supported at both ends. One end is a pin support, the other end is a roller support. The beam can rotate at the supports, but vertical movement is restrained. Types of supports. We have pin support, prevents horizontal and vertical movements, allows rotation, reaction forces هو الhorizontal reaction R للX والvertical reaction R للY. In our project, you can see here the X and the Y. Okay. Roller support prevents vertical movements only, not like the pin support, which prevents the horizontal and vertical movement. Roller support allows horizontal movement and rotation. Reaction support or vertical reaction RY. For the beam to be in equilibrium, the summation of force equals 0. The summation of forces للY, this is للX, this is the Y, والعزوم أيضا تكون 0. اللود cell أو الweight sensor. A load cell is a sensor used to measure weight or force. It converts a mechanical force into an electrical signal. How does it work? This is our weight sensor. How does our weight sensor work? When a load, which is a weight that in here, when a load is applied to the load cell, the body of the sensor slightly deforms. This deformation causes a change in electrical resistance inside strain gags. The change is converted into an electrical signal that represents the applied weight.